sa Netflix, October 18 sa I Want, and October 20 sa Kapamilya Channel, A to Z, TV5. Yun po. So maraming salamat po.
Yun po, please help us spread the word this Friday, October 17th on Netflix, What Lies Beneath. October 18 on I Want, and on Free TV, October 20, What Lies Beneath po. Sana po, supportahan ninyo, and please, thank you so much pala for coming out tonight, and thank you so much for joining us in this intimate preview. Thank you guys, good night.
Yeah, thank you so much for coming, and we're very glad to hear na na-enjoy niyo yung first 3 episodes. Excited na rin kami ni Sue na mapanood kasi di pa namin napapanood. But yeah, thank you so much for being here, and yes, please help us spread the word. What Lies Beneath on October 17 on Netflix, 18 on I Want, and on the 20th on all Kapamilya platforms and TV5. Thank you!
And yeah, thank you po for coming. Yun lang naman ang gusto natin, na ma-enjoy ninyo at may pakalat ang magandang balita.
To ask our influencers who were able to come to please join our cast here in front.
October 17 po sa Netflix, 18 I Want, and on the 20th, Kapamilya Online Live, Kapamilya Channel, A to Z and TV5. Please, please support the show.
October 17 na po. Sorry, tumunog yung chan. Akalain ni Sue, inututan ko siya. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. Sana hindi kayo ma-traffic pa uwi. And ayun, wala na yata rush hour. So, October 17 na po. Sana may kalat nyo sa TikTok, sa social media. Kayo po ang aming paraan at way para maikalat po ang aming palabas.
Thank you very much po sa lahat, and yun, sa October 17 na po magsisimula ng
This is very Pinoy, this is very unique sa time natin. Yung case studies na pinagbasehan namin ng ilang characters, dito siya sa Philippines nag-exist. So, ibang-iba talaga siya. And may mga current events, social issues na mapapanood nyo din sa show, magre-reflect sa show. Kasi syempre gusto natin na grounded at saka authentic talaga sa Philippine context yung mapapanood niya.
Also, if I may add, ang pinanggalingan nito actually is malayong-malayo sa What Lies Beneath. Ang inspiration nito, yung something that happened in, I think in China or what, na parang, it's a docu, na parang may friends, na parang nangarap na bumuo ng kanilang dream house. At doon sila magre-retire and all that. So, kung nakikita nyo, yun yung pinanggalingan. But somewhere along the way, ito na yung kwento natin, na trying to parang build that dream, yun na, something happened. Doon nagsimula yung the thriller, eventually yung twist and all that na madi-discover nyo eventually. So, yun. So, ang layo sa What Lies Beneath talaga.
I would say na very innovative yung first 3 episodes for me kasi talagang bawat scene may mga flashback agad. Talagang sobrang broad ng mga scenario, kada storyline. And yeah, I totally appreciate. Thank you so much. Congratulations.
Thank you so much po. Okay, last question po, if anyone has. One last question. Yes po.
Nabitin ako agad. I wanna watch it na. Curious ako sa mga mangyayari. And what a beautiful title. Ang daming uri ng pagsisinungaling, ang daming lies. Sa sarili, sa bansa, sa batas, sa pamilya, sa minamahal. Ang ganda po. So, curious na ako ano pa yung mga patutunguhan ng kwento ng bawat character, ano pa yung tatahakin ng kanilang character. My question would be, ano po sa tingin nyo yung bagay na ikaka-curious din ng mga manonood natin at mahuhook sila sa What Lies Beneath? Kasi ako ngayon, sa story ng bawat isa, curious na ako paano mag-end.
I think ang curious yung tao talaga kung sino talaga yung pumatay. Pakiramdam ko, ginawa po ng swabing-swabe at maayos po ng aming creatives and directors na hindi yun agad mabibigay, and So, matatakam sila sa episodes.
Sorry. And if I may add again, eventually, anyone can be the suspect. So, yun.
Ano din, well, the story started with a lie, but sa present, ng adults na sila, marami pa ring lies, pero yung lies na yun, lies na sa isa't isa. So, abangan nyo rin kung ano dun yung totoo, anong hindi.
Oh yeah, the mystery, obviously. Parang, you don't know what's coming next. To be honest, it's also the first time I've seen it. And hindi ko ma-predict. You know, usually when I watch a movie or a TV show, I already know what's gonna happen. But kanina, parang, ang galing kasi the transition of the flashbacks and the current, you didn't know what was coming next. And for me, as a person who's seen a lot of movies and TV shows, I was very proud of the editing, of the cinematography. Galing talaga. So, abangan nila yung misteryo. Abangan nila. Because even the actors, we don't know what's coming next. We just know what we shot, di ba? But we don't know what's coming next pa.
I think mga curious din yung mga tao kung paano ma-overcome ng girls. Yung lahat ng lies, how it will unravel, paano sila magiging honest sa isa't isa, and at what point, what will be the breaking point of each character. So, ang dami talagang pasabog na revelations na kailangang abangan. And ang daming characters. So, lahat kami may conflicts. So, hindi kayo mabobore manood, I'm sure.
Thank you guys so much, and to everyone who attended our very intimate What Lies Beneath advanced screening. Of course, before we let you guys go, siguro short message from everyone and invite. Okay.